Hi, and welcome to CampaignTrackly. In this brief walkthrough, I'll show you how to test our Excel solution in 4 easy steps. Let's get started. After you register, you will receive an email which will have 4 components: a link to a walkthrough page, a link to a downloadable Excel edit file, a link to the Excel spreadsheet that you will use to test our edit, and your credentials that you will need in order to log into our test CampaignTrackly account. You can always use our walkthrough page, which has a step-by-step description of everything you need to do to get started, but let me save you a little bit of time and show you that it takes seconds to get set up and start tagging links. Here's the sample spreadsheet. Let's go to Insert, Add-ins, and upload the XML file that you downloaded from our email. Let's hit upload, and now you're ready to start tagging. We'll select CampaignTrackly. We will enter the login credentials that you'll find in your email. They're going to be different from these credentials. And once we're in, we're ready to select a tag template. In this case, I will select the Twitter schedule template. And once I click Apply Template, a second tab will be auto-generated, and you will have the same information as you had in the first tab, with the addition of your long trackable links that contain tags defined in your template and a short version of these links. You can add additional columns and data to your Excel spreadsheet, and none of it will interfere with the results of your tracking. And the most amazing part is that you can use the Excel solution for a variety of tracking scenarios, and all that without the need to leave your Excel spreadsheet or spend extra time. And that concludes my walkthrough for today. I hope you are as excited as we are for this amazing solution. Happy tracking!